Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see how to start with the HTML canvas. So this is the first episode of the series and this is the HTML file which I will use, and here let's start. So what I will just do is open my console. Here let's write our basic HTML code. But I am a bit lazy, so I will just get the basic HTML code. So I will get it from the WC site. Okay. So just copy this and paste this. I will give this code link in the description. So what I will just do is add here. I will remove it and add here canvas. Right, and let's also add a head tag because it has forgotten it, and let's also add here lang en. Right. So here I will add a header tag, right, and inside that I will add a meta tag. Here I will say cassette utf//8. Right, and after this what I am just going to do is add here one title, and let's keep the title as HTML canvas. Okay, HTML canvas, let's refresh it. You will see we have our basic HTML site with our specified title. So let's connect it with the JavaScript. And here I will say source, and the name of the JavaScript file is canvas.js, and I will also add here style to see the canvas. Right, so here I will say border. Here I will say 1 pixel solid black. And here if I refresh it, so now you can see our canvas size is visible. So it's too small, so we have to resize it. So to resize we can also use CSS, but I will use JavaScript. So first let's create a variable for canvas. Just say here document.querySelector. You can also do it with getElementById, but I will use document query selector. Okay, so inside this what you have to just do is specify the tag name. So this is the simplest method, I think so. So it's simple for me and I like to use this method. And just say here C as canvas.getContext. So this is for getting control on it. Means we can just draw some shapes, right? And for this episode we will only see how to resize and do all the stuff. So till now it will be nothing. Right. So to resize it, what we have to just do is say here canvas.width and equals to the window.inner width, and I will just copy it, paste it, and I will say here inner height, and here also I will say height. So now if we see it resizes. So right, so after this we will see how to draw some shapes. So this is just a getting started tutorial, so I will not show that much. I will just remove this type. Right. So to start with, I think so we should start with the rectangles and those all stuff. So to draw, always you need to say c.stroke. So actually c.begin path first, then you will have to say stroke, c.stroke. So you will have to use stroke for drawing and begin path for starting. So between this your drawing will come. So first we will draw an rectangle. You can use rect. So you can also use an fill rect, but but it's a shortcut. We don't have to specify begin path and stroke for it. So I will just specify the x, y, width, height. I will just keep everything as 100. So now you will see my rectangle right over here. And what I will just do is change its border color. So to change, you can say here stroke style equals to the color you want. So here I will specify red, or you can also use hash values. So let's save it. Yes, we have red. So let's also add fill color. So to add a fill color, what you can just do is say here stroke style, not stroke style, it should be fill style, right? And inside that just add your color. So for this I will use my RGBA values. Let's keep it at green. So let's keep the alpha value at 0.5 and let's try this out. It should show nothing, right? So to make it work, you have to say here c.fill. So it will fill it for us. So now we have an RGBA green color. So with an red border. So let's also match the color with the border, or let's keep the both at black. So it matches with the default colors. Alright. So now everything is black. So second shape we will see is line. So we will see how to draw a line. So to draw a line, just add this begin path stroke and just add stroke style if you need. And I will just comment these both for now. And in the line 2 method, you have to just specify a starting point, ending point, then again specify the line 2. And again right over here just specify the start point and 2 point. So this will be a diagonal line. Just specify, again you can specify the start and end point. Here I will say 100 by 500, or let's take 600. So it should be a triangular shape, right? It's triangular shape. Let's keep it at 300. Okay. So after this, what I will do, we will see how to draw a circle. I will again uncomment this because we can use fill methods for circle, means the arc that we will draw. So if you want to draw a semicircle or an arc, you can use this method. For full circle also this method will work. Just type the XY axis, then radius, let's keep it at 50 or 30, and start angle. So we will start from starting, and the end angle. So if you want to draw an whole circle or semicircle, you can use math.pi. For semicircle, just specify this. For full circle, specify multiplied by 2. And for the counterclockwise, it doesn't matter for us right now. Okay, so we have our filled circle with the stroke and those things. So that's all for today's episode.